Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sylvanian Family's classic telephone box set. So now I'll show you its box. Well, as you can see, it's dark blue with some buttons on it. And the main thing on the cover of our box is the picture with our telephone box, nearly of which is standing the bear soldier, probably. Well, on the top of our box we can see that it's dark blue again, and we can also see some golden buttons which are making our box fancy. Now let's check out the next side. Wow, here is our red box with lots of stickers. And on the cover side of our box we can only see some information about the set. And lastly, we can see this side, which is showing us all of the contents, which our set includes. Well, let's start opening. Let's take all the pieces out from here. Well, with our box, get the red telephone box and also some stickers for it. So now let's take them on according to the box. So with our newspaper, I already made all of the preparations, and now I'll take with red dear father to show you how Sylvanian animal can use with telephone box. So every Sylvanian can just come here and open the door of our telephone box. Afterwards, he needs to come in and take his telephone. So this is the way our telephone looks close up, and then he can finally call someone. Moreover, he can read with newspaper, so I gave it to him. Thanks for watching, please subscribe. Bye!